Hey everyone, got a simple little project today. I'm installing these bump stops from Timbren. Comes with a spacer if I need it, a bracket, and about 6 nuts and bolts. And it's a pretty simple project. I got to jack this up, get access to the area where the spacer goes. Believe it or not, my original bump stops are not there. So let's get this started. This is a real good timing. So thanks to Timbren for sending these out for me to give a shot to. All right, well, here we are, day 2. I started taking this off, and unfortunately, it's stripped. So now I've got to cut it off. So hopefully that goes smooth. Then we'll get to the other side. All right, let's see if we can get this. Oh man, thank God. Take this bolt, split washer, flat washer, and then you're gonna screw it into the top of this, which fits this direction. I turn it off. Take a ratchet, 9/16, and tighten it down. Also, make sure you have jack stands under your vehicle. I didn't mention that at the beginning, but that's pretty critical. All right, so next there's a big fender washer in here, and you're gonna use one of these bolts depending on whether you use a spacer or not. This one's the shorter of the two. And then it also has a lock washer at the bottom. And then on the other end, you're gonna put a lock nut. Also, there's 3 holes on the bottom here. I'm gonna line mine up with the forward one. That lines it up with the bump stop down here. Last time I installed the bracket first, and then I installed the bump stop onto the bracket. That wasn't super easy. It was much easier to put this on to the bracket, and I'm hoping that putting this screw in will be a lot easier holding this. So let's give it a shot. Oh yeah, this is gonna be much easier. All right, so from the bottom of this to the stop, it should be between 1 and 1.5 inches, and I am just under 1 inch, so absolutely didn't need the spacer, but this fits perfect, and I can't wait to try to tow with it. If you've decided to attempt this yourself, I would say if you have everything in place and ready to go, probably a 45-minute job. If you have to find your tools and cut off bolts and a couple other things, then maybe 2 hours. But otherwise, it was a really easy install. There's only 1 screw to remove the old bump stop and 2 to install this. So, looks like a good product to me.